Hello everybody, hope y'all are having a wonderful day. So today we're at the park because we're just trying to waste time and get some energy out of my attitude giving daughter. This weekend is my husband and I's 6-year anniversary, and we are going to be going to the river. I booked us a little cabin for the weekend, and I've got a lot of stuff to do before then. Today is Wednesday, and we're leaving on Friday, so my house looks like a bulldozer ran right through it, and I've got to clean that up and make a list of all the things we're going to be taking with us, and I've got to pack. It's going to be an eventful day. So I just got off the phone with the realtor, and surprise, surprise, we put an offer in on another flip house, and we've got to go sign some paperwork because they accepted our offer. And so we've got to set a closing date and get all the details squared away, and hopefully we'll get that house started soon.
Are you ready? Where's Kobe?
Look, mamas. We got a fishy. Oh my goodness.
Peed on me! Oh, it just peed all over me. I've never seen that before.
That's gross. What is it, baby? Look, mamas.
You gotta kiss your first fish. You gotta kiss it. Give it a kiss. Mwah. Oh, no. Touch it. Touch it. Oh!
Oh, good
You
job,
ready?
baby.
Look.
All right, so it is Monday morning and we are officially done with our weekend. We came home like a little bit early from our trip. We were supposed to come home Sunday morning and we decided to come home Saturday evening. Right now I am going on a walk with these two crazies. But we had a really good time. Colby loved the river and just kind of like getting to explore and everything. But yeah, it's good to be home. Rampage is excited to see us and it was a fun weekend. That's gonna, oh my goodness, she's having so much fun. So that's gonna be it for this video. I know it was obviously different and more vloggy than any of my other videos, but thank you guys for watching and make sure you like and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Where are you going?